How do you know if you have a rare 1971 Kennedy half dollar? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to make sure you aren't missing any rare 1971 Kennedy half dollar worth potentially thousands of dollars. First, we have a 1971D 50-cent Kennedy half dollar graded by NGC, a mint state 66. Now, this is your typical run-of-the-mill 1971 coin from the Denver Mint. Now, you can see the D mint mark on the front bottom center of the coin. Make sure you're looking for these specific mint marks because the mint mark can really determine the value of the coin as well as the condition. Also, the highest grade we can achieve here is 70 and the grade is a 66, but this coin sold for $20. And make sure you stay until the end because we have an incredibly rare Kennedy half dollar coin that you could have in your collection. Here we have a 1971D 50-cent coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 67, and this is a very good example to tell you the difference of the grade really does matter when it comes down to the value of the coin. So because this coin graded only one grade higher, this coin sold for $100. Again, look out for this. Here's a 1971 no mint mark graded by PCGS, a mint state 66. Now again, if you look on the bottom center of the front of the coin, you see there is no mint mark. This means this coin was minted at the Philadelphia Mint, and it's one grade lower than the previous coin, but this coin still brought more money, even though it's a lower grade. Because it's from the more rare Philadelphia Mint, this coin sold for $184. The value keeps going up. Here's a 1971D 50-cent Kennedy half dollar graded by NGC, a mint state 68. That's only 2 grades away from the perfect grade of 70, and that's why this coin sold for $546. So if you're going through an old collection and you have a 1971D Kennedy half dollar that looks like it's in good condition, it may be worth getting it graded and selling it for a lot of money, just like this one. When you are selling your collection, you find someone that's reputable and trustworthy so you don't get scammed for your collection. Here we have another Kennedy half dollar from 1971 with the D mint mark, but what's special about this one is that one, it graded as a PCGS 66, but it also has a double die obverse. Now, what DDO stands for is double die obverse, and you can see on the front of the coin, which is the obverse, there is a little bit of doubling. So during the minting process, when the die came down, it came down twice. It was double dyed, and this can happen on any of these coins on the front or the back. So you're going to need magnification somehow to see some of this doubling because it is hard to see, but the more dramatic it is, the easier it is to see, the more money it's going to be worth, and this coin sold for $470. Here we have a 1971 S graded by PCGS, a proof-like 69 deep cameo. This S mint mark means that it came from the San Francisco Mint. Combine that with the fact that it is graded as a proof-like, and you can tell it's proof-like by the shiny appearance and luster of the coin. It almost has a mirror finish. This one also graded only 1 point away from the perfect grade of 70. Because this coin graded so highly and it's so beautiful, this coin sold for $1,600 for this half dollar coin. So here's the coin we've all been waiting for. This is a 1971D 50-cent struck on a 40% silver planchet weighing 11.3 grams. Now that's the thing you really want to pay attention for, is the weight of the coin. This one graded by NGC, a mint state 61. So if you have a coin like this, it's really important you get some sort of scale out that you're able to weigh the weight of these coins. Make sure you have a scale that is in lower decimals. You don't want to get a scale that weighs in pounds but in grams. So during the minting process, this should not have been minted on a 40% silver planchet, and the way to tell if you have a silver planchet coin is by weighing it. If you have a 1971 coin that weighs 11.3 grams or somewhere close to that, you could have a coin worth thousands of dollars just like this one, and this coin brought crazy amounts of money, even though it was graded on the lower end of mint state at a 61. This coin, I cannot believe how much this coin sold for. It sold for $13,000. Please, if you have a rare mint error just like this coin, reach out to anyone that you know that is trustworthy and will not scam you for your money. You could have thousands or tens of thousands of dollars worth of coins in your collection. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.